Hi everyone, in this lesson we will go over the volume and net of a triangular prism. So the first thing we will do is to learn how to draw a triangular prism. As you can see, there are only 3 simple steps. The first one is to sketch 2 congruent bases, followed by connecting the vertices together, in which the vertices are the corners right here. And the last thing is to make any line that's hidden into dashes. So let's try the following step and draw a triangular prism. In this question, we will try to draw 2 equilateral triangles that's similar to this. Now let's connect the vertices together. Notice how the lines in the back will not be visible, so the last line will be drawn with dotted line right here. I also noticed that the bottom 2 lines will also be in the back, so let's also hide that line by erasing it into dotted lines. There you go. That is a rectangular prism with identical top and base. Now, as you've seen above, the formula to find the volume is exactly the same as the one you learned from the rectangular prism, which is the area of the base times it by the height. So now let's understand this using the image below. Okay, let's play it one more time. Notice how this rectangular prism is made basically by stacking multiple triangles together to make the height. So to find the volume of this, all we need is to find the area of the base right here, times it by however many that you stack together, which is the height. So this is the area of the base, times by this part right here, that's the height. Now to find the surface area of a triangular prism, we basically have to unfold it into the net and find its area. So let's see, after you unfold a triangular prism, you would have 3 rectangles right here, followed by 2 triangles that are identical, which makes a total of 5 pieces here. And this is not the only way to draw it, so let's redraw this shape by following the steps below. The first thing we should do is to draw the top triangle, which is this part right here. And then we will attach 3 rectangles to the sides of it. The rectangles are these part right here. This is a rectangle. So it's this one and the one in the back. So now let's attach 3 rectangles here to each side of the triangle. And then we will attach the base to anywhere. Remember how the base and top are the same thing? So let's say that I want to attach it to the bottom right here. I would redraw this exact same triangle. There you go. That's another way that represents the exact same thing as the one right here. They're both the net of the triangle prism, which both can be folded back into the same exact box. In this example given below, we are asked to find the volume and surface area of the triangular prism. Remember, to find the volume, we need to find the area of the base times it by the height. So the base is the top piece right here, and the numbers given are 12 and 15. And also notice how, since the bottom makes a right angle, so is the top. That means these will be the base and the height. It will be 12 times 5 divided by 2, because that's the formula for the area of a triangle. So there are 2 numbers left over. Which one's the height? If you think about stacking triangles, this will be the height right here. So we will times this by the 4, and this will give us 30 times the 4. So we get 120 cubic feet as our final answer, because we're multiplying 3 dimensions together.